Good morning, friends. Today I am here with a new thought of the day. Actually, it is not new. It has been said by Mother Teresa long time ago. Today I am going to only discuss it so that your life may be decorated with the fragrance, with the jewelry that is hidden in this thought. That's why I am here to discuss. Thought of the day. आज का चिंतन. If we really want to love, if we really want to love, we must learn how to forgive. If we really want to love, we must learn how to forgive. Mother Teresa, great saint of our land, Mother Teresa has said this line. She has shown us the way how to love. If we really want to love, generally people like to love. There is no one in this world who can say that he or she doesn't like to love. Everybody likes to love, but very few know the way to love. How we can love? Very few people know. So here, Mother Teresa is saying to us how to love. So we have to decorate, we have to develop the character of forgiving. If we are not ready to forgive the mistakes of others, then we are never going to love anyone, because people are liable to commit mistakes. People are liable to fall. They are liable to weep. We have to wipe out the tears from their eyes. We have to lift them up. We have to forgive for their mistakes, because whatever mistakes they are doing, they are not responsible at all. That mistake is due to their physical incompetence, due to their mental incompetence. No one wants to make a mistake, but mistakes are being made frequently. That's why we must develop the nature of forgiving. We have to forgive if we want to love really. That's why Mother Teresa is welcomed here. आज का विचार, आज का चिंतन. यदि हम वास्तव में प्यार करना चाहते हैं तो हमें क्षमा करना अवश्य सीखना चाहिए. ये महान विचार मदर टेरेसा के द्वारा कहे गए हैं. इस विचार का मतलब है कि प्यार करना अगर हम चाहते हैं तो हमें क्षमा करना भी सीखना होगा, क्योंकि व्यक्ति गलतियां करने के लिए बाध्य है. वह प्रकृति के द्वारा बना हुआ है, इसलिए उसके अंदर शारीरिक और मानसिक दोनों प्रकार की कमजोरियां होती हैं, अक्षमताएं होती हैं, और व्यक्ति इन्हीं कमजोरियों और अक्षमताओं के कारण गलतियां करता है, मिस्टेक्स करता है. तो जब हम किसी को प्यार करेंगे तो उसकी गलतियों को माफ़ करेंगे, क्षमा करेंगे, क्षमा भाव. तो ये अगर हमने डेवलप किया अपने कैरेक्टर में, अपने चरित्र में, इसको आगे बढ़ाया, तो निश्चित रूप से हम प्यार करने वाले लोग माने जाएंगे. तो निश्चित रूप से मदर टेरेसा के ये विचार बिल्कुल सत्य हैं कि यदि हम वास्तव में प्यार करना चाहते हैं तो हमें क्षमा करना अवश्य सीखना चाहिए. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ इन विचारों के अंदर जो ज्ञान है यह आपके जीवन को मंगलमय बनाएगा. आज का दिन आपका मंगलमय हो, खुशियों से भरा हो. धन्यवाद.